YIKES is a web design and development company. We've been around since 1996. Currently, we have an office located in Northern Liberties, 3rd and Brown Street, and there's an office of 8.
The thing is, we knew we wanted to have a sustainable building. So buying a building that we could move into definitely wouldn't have met our standards for having a green space. So really, we're kind of talking about starting from scratch in a way anyway.
You know, with a building like this, we can make it a LEED Platinum building. You know, it kind of has to be ripped down to its bare bones and built back up again. And that's what we've done. That's what we're doing.
This is where the magic happens. Green Soul is based upon, you know, one of the core values at Green Soul, and one of the things that we try to do for all of our projects is incorporate architectural salvage and recycled materials into the project.
The team needs to be really well integrated. So you have your architects, you have your builders, and you have your kind of sustainable LEED certification team.
To get to LEED Platinum, you know, there's so much attention to detail, and if we were just working with anybody or somebody who didn't care or somebody
who's doing it for the money only, it's not,
or didn't have experience with this, we probably wouldn't be able to make it. You know, there's so much level of detail you have to pay attention to document the points. Instead of ripping down and building something new, which isn't sustainable. Even if you ripped down a building and then built a green building on top, it's still not really sustainable, because honestly, like, an empty lot is more energy efficient than a building, you know. So we want to keep the history of this building and use as much of it as we can. And, you know, a lot of the pieces of this building are being taken out and remilled and used again.
Anything in this building that could be reused is being reused. If not here, then somewhere else.
The VEC project, what we found is layers of wallpaper, and wallpaper over wallpaper over the years. And so the wallpaper is starting to peel back, and it's creating a beautiful tapestry, you know, on the party walls. So what we've decided to do is to frame out these layers of peeling back wallpaper, and you know, make it a picture on the wall.
So there'll be spots where you'll be able to see through to all those layers of wallpaper, those, you know, and whatever, maybe potentially 120 layers of wall, you know, really, in this building. I think it adds to the neighborhood to have businesses and buildings that are lived in, worked at. You know, that's what makes a city.
Lauren Macaluso, Philadelphia Neighborhoods, Fishtown.